Hey everybody, it's Cody here again with another Mustang R&D update. As always, we got our fearless leader Braden with us, and in our last video you might have noticed something that sounded pretty nice. So Braden, why don't you tell us what we got here today?
Well, Cody, we got our Auto EcoBoost Mustang here with the prototype R&D turbo back exhaust and our orange performance pack Mustang with stock exhaust.
All right, well, we got them lined up. Without much further ado, let's see how they compare. Oh, God, that's no contest, Braden. I mean, that thing sounds awesome. I could clearly hear it over mine. But hopefully that's enough to whet your appetite. We'll have more information as it develops. So that's it for this go round. Y'all take care. We'll see you later.